Okay, so Chris Brown did the concert and everything was fine. I swear that Chris Brown was going to go back to America, go enjoy fame life. Only for go hear and go see this report on Twitter that Chris Brown was in Tivoli. So me go took up myself and say, I am going to Tivoli, go see if I can get some content for the burritos and possibly, capture some little moments of Chris Brown. Here's how that went. Guys, I was just walking around to see what is going on because apparently there's a music video with Chris Brown happening here today. So, but that's there. I'll go and take in the festivities and see what's going on. So Chris Brown's dancers there.
Hey Tony!
Look like we're catching the end of it. So so me reach at Tivoli and Chris Brown is not there. Chris Brown was nowhere in sight because it looked like say by the time them post up the stuff them on Twitter, him did already leave from the area. Boy oh boy. But anyway, I get to talk to some people and this is what they had to say.
Yeah, for free!
1.5.
Oh whoa, you got this?
Yeah, for free!
Oh awesome, jeez oh Kim.
People get some money and don't get nothing.
Wow, talk no man.
Them don't
So
get
how it
nothing.
happened? Where did you see where it happened? Where it
Right
happened?
there, sir?
Where? Show us the area.
Come.
Okay. Bless and a bless. Wow.
The people that waste their money.
Yeah.
I'm going to Chris Brown concert and I'm not even get to make him sign the first name. I'm going to get it for free plus a picture.
Wow.
And
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
for free.
Get up with him too.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay, him gone already.
Yeah, I'm going up so.
We don't know if I'm come back down.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't
but you
think
still a
so.
shoot.
I don't know, because watch street part where we go in the yard. Do it already. Lizard Town, YG and yes.
Oh damn.
I already got a cheap place, so I don't know him now going to West Yard.
Damn. But this is so cool, man. We just come catch you right here, so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see the autograph again for your shirt. Nice. Yo, keep this and maintain it,
Yeah,
All
but
right.
you want to wash it. You can't wash again. You can't wash again.
Alright.
I eat this. Yeah,
Where you say, my girl? We have just a show right at your knee right there. So where you say?
no, I said no, sir.
You don't say your knee, we are sure. You tell me say somebody gonna know you buy your knee.
No.
She just say a while ago say she should buy 2 outfits for Chris Brown. She just said she buy my short set.
I buy outfit for Chris Brown.
Oh God. So him gone?
I'm going to buy 2 parties to come back. I'm going to go mad. Yeah, go back.
Everybody run stuff.
We don't really want a video.
But the owner of the people that buy the short set for Chris Brown.
Let me call even on board us and buy shots for Chris Brown.
So Chris Brown asked if he send him a $1,000 credit, you would do it?
I'm forget it from. I know my whole family did I make money for every day.
Oh Jesus, P man. Oh God. Alright, so it look like something I go on. Me I try find out what I go on. You bought that too? No, I forgot to find wherever Chris Brown be. You saw Chris Brown?
What you want?
But I just want to talk to somebody and like what the vibe they like when him come down here if the people them. Alright, I can show you how this go. Tell me what go on.
Lots of excitement was happening. People were flying, people were flicking, acrobats. Yeah.
So them just come and pick out people or him they bring film own team?
They bring him on.
Oh,
Have
okay.
the team, we're gonna run back at the team, you understand?
Him, between me and him let off no money from people them around here.
You know, say me, that you see the answer where I look for, you have to go round this up and that.
Oh.
And me never round this.
Oh.
Just the right test on a watch.
One, apparently he must have signed him autograph round there,
Yeah,
so.
and whole heap of people face.
So the whole of that did I go on and you never get yours?
Me never get none, man.
Jesus,
You know, she be a
man.
hot girl.
Okay.
Never take the push.
Oh, because you're used to excitement and people are create excitement over you, yeah.
Yeah, because people actually that take video and picture with me.
Oh, with you, so yeah, you wonder who the Chris Brown youth here.
Let me say, I want this, so how them not run back at me.
So where ma move to next? Cause we're on the hunt to find him. You know something?
No, me hear them I go straight and turn.
Nobody no know nothing.
No, we know, man.
Somebody must know. Where ma go next?
Mountain View.
Where you hear ma go next? Where ma go?
Bellevue, ma go. Come here, mad out video, ma make you know something.
Oh, but him and Byron there. Byron, yeah, him there too. Him dance to them there, so and him sitting them, some of him crew them there down there, so.
Some white man. And I be a hot boy did it, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
man,
alright.
that is it,
Alright, big up yourself, you know. But if him circle back around here, just message DuttyBerryShow, Instagram, and just make me know.
Yeah, man, you don't know Dirty Berry, yeah.
Alright.
Oh.
Anything you want for us about your community?
My community nice, you know. Yeah.
Why Chris Brown have to come in at Tivoli? Tivoli Garden is very special.
Yes.
No, wait now.
What?
We only pay for sky view and bleachers and we get live view. You see that?
That's unfair. It's unfair though. Hey, what's... Oh, Jesus, Pim. Somebody lie and tell them say you're sick. Okay, my God, the way the girl duck a while ago.
Boy, your community.
That way come on, that girl live down here.
I can't lie.
Okay, alright. What mean say you tell me say you never want to make up now? I lie you tell. I lie you tell. No man. No man, I lie you tell.
Africa, you can't come in at Tivoli Garden. Watch out. Africa.
You tell me say I wanna draw this? What the person out there? Him still live here?
Of course. The artist is there.
Shepherd drive.
So when you come to act girl, Tivoli have it. When it come to painter.
Look on him.
But the girl them around here, them can cook.
Yeah.
I show you only day you full look.
Oh. Okay. So Tivoli have the dolly, have the talent, all of that.
Everything.
So I want to get the real good view, the sky view. Whoa.
Yeah, we get sky view. Yeah.
And,
We get down the pay for bed.
wow. Anyway, later, take care. All right. So after this now, me hear say he must have got a mountain view. So me take up myself and say me I got a mountain view around a back bush now. Go see if me can go book up Chris Brown team there, get some content for the burritos them. Here's how that went. Come here, so hola, hey, what go on? You can't give me the light. Me I go for my light over there, so turn it the way the punchy.
Tell from here?
Yes. So them boy your community now. And
Talk up.
You can't see no.
Good community.
It's a nice, clean community. Backbush. Hampstead place. Yeah, Chris Brown thing there.
Okay. You have no Chris Brown song where you love, where you have to play?
Yeah.
Come on, you must have one song, man. Under the Influence, man. On the sunset, I don't want to say, got a crazy right down there.
I know what you do, just speak to me.
Yeah, all right.
Get over to my bed.
All right. Also, the whole community is, oh, Jesus, beam. No, I'm not there. But we don't know. We don't know them people, them not going to tell.
We can't take them scamming. We both can't take them scamming.
I think at this man, I'm afraid of this now because this might make the man change him plans them.
5 million, you know.
Where's it? You did a stadium? So all you know them they gonna reach here before stadium no.
Because we book feet already.
Oh.
You don't know, we know.
We have different link. Okay. Okay. All right, vibes. I'm hungry now in a place so I can't get to something to eat. But I want to apparently this is food for something else. So where can I go? I can recommend I can get something like snacks to drink. You can't. Okay, hold on. I never care now.
We're nice clean community. No rappers, no fires.
Hold on, give me a second. Come on, hold on. I $1,000. Hold on, I beg and come. You just asked it a while ago, you know. What? May I try to find a shop? Which shop can I go to? Where my friend there? Oh gosh, my friend I take care of me.
Yeah.
Oh, your shop, nice. Which is right? Me no want some for drink. What's up? Anything.
Look how
community important. Look that man.
You want some drink? What kind of snacks you have there or something? You know, like food like what you call it something again? Cheese bread or nothing?
Yeah, cheese bread and cheese bread.
What kind of snack you have? Yeah, give me a cheese sticks. Give me a cheesies. Yeah, give me a piece of. Yeah, come on, raw man, I just know I don't want Chris Brown reach him an interview, I can't remember nothing from my head. What else there? I have $1,000. What else there can I get? What?
Water.
You want a water?
Wait, wow.
Okay.
Wait, wow. Buy 2 cars, can you in the gate?
Okay, so I'm going to buy 2 cars. Okay. No, but I know, God. Hey, you say, my group.
Tell him what is cars.
My group are Wellington town, you know, I'm not that uptown.
Jesus.
Alright, sure, Jesus speed.
Pure bulk syrup. Drink one, no pussy pan.
My brother can't hold this with me. The light.
Tell him what is cars.
Hold on, let me see if I can turn around this. Boy, so now I'm running next to me, I'm going to just a wash. I'm going to somebody else. Let me see.
Right, so now it's nice, clean water out there. Drink it now. Who first got done? Justice for cause. Justice.
Oh God, boy, the quench your thirst.
Yeah.
It's good. So the banana dinner. So all like this. Wow. I think it's all like a dumpling, can't be something that chicken, oxtail.
Take too long.
Oh, they never have the sky view. But look at it, in the end, I'm gonna get the good view. I'm a friend there.
Look how we're important.
We are
All out and about. Nice, clean, sexy young girl.
Oh, them excitement they go on.
Nice party. Best in a corona, I saw the best party them came. I saw them black half party. I can't party.
But my friend a video for me, you know, Jesus speed. Oh God, look, come and get bugged. But they have change?
No change.
Yeah, because I'm going to just give.
Dirty life and living color.
I mean, even have nothing there. What is it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right. But you ready, though? Come run us out the light.
Mash up that car.
All right. No, man. Oh, gosh. No, man. She ready for the Chris Brown music video. No, but watch there. Oh gosh, man. Why everybody going to bring me out up here, so? Oh, we are block out the road. No, man, honestly, it look like I can't go where I have to go stay.
It's a big moment. It's a big thing. Don't come for like it's a small thing. It's a big thing.
Yo, the brother else. Oh, Ding Dang, you there earlier? just spent it a while ago.
People, me there Mountain View. Stuff in my gut with bun and cheese. And what else me get from some people. I'll be coming here with from Chris Brown and I know I can answer Chris Brown. Kids are out there. And maybe some people look like them and team around here so. But me there out here. Like me a part of one Law and Order episode.
Everybody there waits. We don't know if Chris Brown are gonna show up or he's here. So you just want to know, say, you know, but stayed there for almost about 2-3 hours. Only for go find out, say, apparently Chris Brown got tired and he no longer had the energy to show up there for the shoot. Some say, no, I come to my yard. Reach my yard now, me get a little buzz, boop, 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 boop. Go end up go find out, say, Chris Brown, most of the go there airport now, he ma fly out. Some say, no, let me go see if me can get a little content. Maybe me can squeeze a little interview, something, me don't know. But clearly me at TMZ, so that is how it went. I went there and we did there wait for a little while. Film got exit from the vehicle and I managed to, you know, some other people did there and I managed to catch this moment. Yeah, so out there wait, like true paparazzi, TMZ style. Poor Chris Brown must have them type of vibes there. My God.
Fangirl era.
Are the Skyview people them this? Okay. Team Skyview. Alright. Lady, ask for any more luggage and you're torn. Oh gosh. Can you imagine you recording your phone just as storage full? I know them people that them paparazzi up there, like, them work here look like in a easy man. 2 hours later.
Okay, let's see man in the storage.
Thanks for posting me, Chris.
Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, man. So that is it in our burritos, boy. You see all of them headache and stress and stuff here when me do for Uno for get the little content them, which is why when me ask you to subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel, please to subscribe. When me ask you to like the video, please to like. When me say share the video. Mighty God of Daniel. Anyway, thank you very much, and I get a lot of feedback on the content and so on. I love it. I really, really appreciate hearing the positive remarks, and it only encouraged me to do more and to do better. Peace out.